Today I've got a real quick episode I hate working on cars, where I'm going to show you how to not mangle your mirrors and change your mirror turn signal bulbs. First thing you got to do is get drunk. Then you can open the door and adjust your mirror to the all the way in position. Once you've done that, you can look inside the open gap and find this little white plastic tab. Give the tab a little press at a roughly 45-degree angle with the screwdriver and it'll pop right out. Don't force it. If it's taking a bunch of pressure, change your angle and try again. Now, give each bulb holder a counterclockwise purple nurple and you got your bulbs out. Don't worry about getting them mixed up. Each bulb nurple has a unique pattern. It'll only fit in a particular spot in the turn signal housing holder thingamadingy. To remove the bulbs, just give her a little tug. You know how to tug little things, I'm sure. If you're replacing the bulbs with LEDs, make sure you test them, as LED bulbs are polarity sensitive. Look at me, guessed right the first time. Reinsert the bulbs is as easy as a clockwise purple nurple. To reinsert the housing, make sure you line up all the tabs. This one here on the outside, and then there's a tab at the top and the bottom on the inside. Line them all up and snap her back in. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you found it somewhat bearable, give it a like, and hit the subscribe button so Google can try to figure out what you had for dinner last night. Hell, go ahead and ring my bell while you're at it, and I'll see you next time.